Tingvallavägen 3 in Trollhättan, Sweden. Unfortunately, the year of modernization is unknown, but modernized by Kone with TM series fixtures with red lights. The ASEA built by ASEA-Graham in 1964. The serial number is 36210024. Fifth floor. Ground floor. Is devised and maintained by Kone, or not Kone, it's a curator, and it's engineering company, of course. And the shape of this gap is very rare. Fifth floor. And Tingvallavägen 7 and 1 also have similar elevators, and 5 of course, but I already filmed the staircase 5, but I still have 2 left, but I'm sorry if I can film them or not, but 2 is enough for me. If they are hard to get inside.